Hey everyone, Dr. Crank here at Waco Animal Hospital, here to answer some questions about cat medications.
So can I give aspirin or NSAIDs to my cat?
So no, cats are very sensitive whenever it comes to NSAIDs, and they are something that if you actually give too many of them, or if you're not giving the correct dosing or the correct type, you can actually cause kidney failure in them. They have very delicate kidneys.
So are there any human medicines that are safe for a cat?
So there are some antihistamines that you can give for cats, and there's also things that we routinely will use as far as antibiotics, antifungals, things like that we can safely use in cats, but they are something that you certainly want to consult with your veterinarian about before you actually give them, just because cats are such sensitive beings.
So what are the medications my veterinarian can prescribe if my cat is in pain?
So as far as that goes, we can prescribe some types of medications that are hopefully going to be a liquid, because I know it's a little easier, but we have some pills as well. But we do have NSAIDs that are specifically made and formulated for cats. And so those are going to be a lot safer for them, especially whenever it comes to their kidneys. And we are also going to be able to provide some other pain medications as far as things like gabapentin, which you kind of run into the same situation with that as far as the cat being so small that getting an accurate human dose is a little bit hard. So a lot of times we will have those into special made liquid medications.
So what is the best way for me to give my cat medicine?
So the best way that you can give your cat medication, one, if your cat is overall a foodie, you can definitely try and hide it in food. As you can see, Miss Thing here is not too awfully keen about the food. She's not one to really believe us that it's not going to have a medication in it. And so you can try, doing some cheese or even doing some canned food for those who are more of a fan of food. But if not, you can certainly use a pill popper. So the pill poppers are something that not only will help prevent your cat from hopefully spitting out the pill, but hopefully also help you to not have your finger bit or potentially even get scratched in the meantime. So you'll just place the pill down in the pill popper, and then you'll open your cat's mouth and pop it down their throat.
My last question is, what if my cat is difficult to give medicines to? How do I know that they took it?
So cats are a little difficult because as you can see, they're squirmy. So what can really help is actually having a blanket here. And so you can actually help to contain their legs a little bit, make them a little less squirmy so that their head's sticking out. Not hurting the cat whatsoever, but it does allow you to get a little bit better of a grip on them and kind of help prevent them from squirming around with all those legs and slashing around with their claws. It is something that, as far as things go with making sure the cat gets the medication, one would be slowly giving them the liquid. A lot of the liquids are not formulated for cats to really like the taste of them. Some of them can foam at the mouth and try and spit them out. So giving it to them slowly, making sure they have a nice tasty food afterward or some water to wash it down with will help. And then also just making sure that you are keeping your eye on the cat afterward if you're trying to do a pill so that your cat isn't spitting it out to the side of their mouth.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.